My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be doing a versus video of two of the same item that I have bought and owned for quite a long time. This is the Polar water bottle. This one is the 20-ounce bottle that I've owned for 5 years or so, and this is the new one that I most recently bought, the newer 24-ounce version of the smaller bottle, right? So I just wanted to do a versus video to see you know, the comparison between the old versus the new one, why I purchased a new one. And I'm also going to do a 1,000-mile review, so I'm going to talk about some of the defects and what's happening on the old one here in just a minute as well. So as far as the verses on this, as you can see, the newer one and the older one, they both look pretty much exactly the same, right? They both have the same type of cap. They both have the same kind of insulator in here, although you can't really see it. There is an insulated in here, and it's also crinkly, right? And it's crinkly on this one too, right? It's just larger. So, and these were great in Arizona weather. It keeps my drink ice cold, you know, and it doesn't make it lukewarm like some of the other ones do. So I'm pretty happy using one of these. I used to use this one biking all the time, so I was happy to get the newer one. The main reason why I purchased the bigger one, and a newer one, because I need to basically toss this one, is because this one leaks from the lid pretty badly. I don't know if you can see that there, but it leaks, you know, pretty badly from this plastic part of the lid. I don't know if it's just been worn down over time or what, but it does not matter how tightly I screw it, it will still leak from the lid. And also this plastic part is getting much harder to pull open and closed, you know, especially when I'm biking. You know, I just want to like pop it open right quick and have one hand on the bike, so I have to use my teeth a lot, you know, to open and close it. And it is becoming a lot stiffer, a lot harder, you know, so I don't know if the sun has melted the plastic rings around here and that's why it leaks from the lid, but it's a little annoying that, you know, that happens. So, but with the new one, I hope that it does not leak, or it doesn't leak from the same spot for a little bit at least, you know, and that it keeps it tight. And trust me, I've tried to tighten this lid like so much on bike rides in order to keep it from leaking, but otherwise it just sprays my legs when I'm biking. So it's just kind of one of those things that I just have to put up with, I guess, when I'm out biking. And it's kind of silly, so I don't know, whatever. Otherwise, it's just about, it's the same thing, right? The bottle has, it looks like it uses the exact same materials. The insulator uses the exact same material. It has the exact same plastic loop to grip it, which I appreciate, and I use that a lot, especially when just trying to like rip it out of the bike holster, right? In order to take a quick drink. Because it's Arizona, I'm hot, I'm thirsty, I need something to drink, so, you know, this is gonna work great. And that's why I bought the 24-ounce version, so that I can go on longer bike rides and not have to refill as often, right? So, you know, it's all about preference. And I really like these bottles. So again, not a sponsor, and I've done an unboxing of this one and already shown you what it's like. So I just decided to get the newest version, and I'm afraid that this one's gonna have to be retired because it's leaking too much, and it's a little frustrating when I take it out and about with me and it's just leaking all over my legs when I'm out biking. So anyways, so I just thought I'd do a short little versus video. Thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.